Hey there, fellow curious minds. Today, we are diving into a fascinating story that showcases the power of applied research and the incredible opportunities it can unlock. Get ready to be inspired by the journey of a student who stumbled upon a hidden career path and made a real impact in the beverage industry. Imagine walking into a world-class beverage research lab, where the magic of science meets the art of flavor creation. That's exactly what happened to Nadia Alves, a first-year Associate of Science student at Okanagan College. Through a unique work-integrated learning experience, Nadia not only discovered the intricate science behind beverage formulation but also co-developed a non-alcoholic beverage recipe with the potential to hit store shelves. Personally, I find it mind-blowing how a simple walk-in can lead to such an eye-opening experience. It just goes to show that sometimes, the most unexpected opportunities can shape our future paths. Now, let's dive deeper into the heart of this story. The BC Beverage Technology Access Centre, or BC BTAC for short, is a hidden gem in the world of beverage research. It's the only centre of its kind in British Columbia and serves as a hub for wineries, cideries, and breweries to develop their products. When a dealcoholized sparkling wine startup, Glimmer Wine, approached BC BTAC with a challenge, little did they know it would lead to a student's recipe being selected for potential commercial development. What makes this really interesting is the collaboration between students and industry professionals. By shadowing the formulation team and participating in sensory evaluations, Nadia and her peers gained hands-on experience that most students wouldn't dream of in their first year of college. They applied their lab skills, precision measurement, and pipetting techniques to create their own recipe iterations, a challenge typically reserved for seasoned industry experts. And here's where it gets even more fascinating. Nadia's recipe was chosen by Glimmer Wine's founder, Janet Alves. This small startup, with its limited resources, was able to accelerate its formulation process thanks to the expertise and resources of BC BTAC. It's a perfect example of how applied research can bridge the gap between innovation and commercialization. From my perspective, this story highlights the immense value of work-integrated learning. It provides students with a glimpse into the real world of research and development, complete with non-disclosure agreements and client consultations. It's a far cry from the theoretical learning we often associate with college, and it prepares students for the future of work in a hands-on, practical way. But the impact goes beyond just the students. For Glimmer Wine, this collaboration was a game-changer. It compressed a formulation timeline that would have taken months, allowing them to bring their product to market faster. And for BC BTAC, it reinforced its role as a vital resource for the local industry, offering advanced testing and development capabilities right in their backyard. So, what's the bigger picture here? Well, it's about the power of applied research to create opportunities, foster innovation, and drive economic growth. It's about opening doors to careers that students might not even know exist, like beverage formulation. And it's about the incredible impact that can be made when students, industry, and research centers come together. In my opinion, stories like these are a testament to the potential that lies within applied research. They inspire us to think beyond the traditional paths and explore the endless possibilities that exist when we combine education with real-world experience. So, the next time you sip on your favorite beverage, remember that it might just be the result of a student's hard work and a collaborative effort between industry and research. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Closing shot of Nadia Alves and her beverage recipe, with a caption, "Nadia's recipe,